YouTube channel for real this time. As promised, I am going to start off by doing a hair series because if you follow me on Instagram, you know that is one of my frequently asked questions. A few things I learned. I used to treat my hair very poorly. I put too much heat on it too often and I didn't wash it enough. I wasn't doing what I needed to do to help the hair. So a couple tips for you that will also help with this process. Go see a professional, let them know what's going on and see if they have any remedies for you. With that, I will say do your research on who you are going to see and who's touching your hair. I have had incidents where people said, you know, they were experienced with textured hair and ethnic hair, and then that was not the case. If there's anything I don't get to in this video, please leave me a comment and let me know. I'm so happy to answer that for you. Also, I can add it into future videos if it fits in. So let's get started. Good morning, guys. I am just now rolling out of bed, if you cannot tell. Today is hair wash day. I literally put it on my calendar. This is Rusk, and this is the Deep Shine Smooth Advanced Marine Therapy. So this is a keratin care smoothing shampoo. So for those of you that don't know, keratin is a natural protein that you have in your hair. So using keratin-based products is basically an enhancement for all those natural good things you have in your hair already. I used to have really bad breakage in high school. I would treat my hair poorly, just basically straighten it every day and not wash my hair for weeks. Like, it was bad, and so my hair was just breaking off. And then once I started using this, the breaking stopped a bit, and I still have like shedding, but it's normal shedding. The difference between the two is that shedding comes from the root. So if you pick up one of your hairs on the floor and you see kind of like a white follicle at the tip, that's because it came from your scalp. That's more normal. If you see like broken pieces of hair and they're shorter, that is breakage and that is not healthy, and that's probably a sign that something in your routine or something might be going on. We have washed the sins away. Now what I'm gonna do is start the drying process. So what I'm doing is I'm first taking Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Other YouTubers do that and it works, and you know, I just wanna show you. There we go. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take just a couple pumps of this Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. It really goes a long way, and that's why I have such a tiny bottle. About a quarter size in the palm of my hand. I'm just gonna rub my hands together, and I'm gonna put that all in my hair. Dry hair equals breakage for me, so we don't want that. So I use this here. It's keratin and green tea restructurizer. And I'll link all this for you. So I do some sprays of this, another keratin product. Okay, and then I'm also going to use this olive oil leave-in conditioner. And this one smells really good. And then once I have all the products in, I take a wide tooth comb and I just detangle my hair again. I detangled my hair in the shower while I had conditioner in both times, but I also detangle it again, and the comb runs through a lot easier after I use that conditioner. Prior to using keratin treatments, like this process alone would have taken me like 30 minutes. And as you can see, I'm almost done. The comb is running right through. And that literally took 30 seconds. So my drying routine, I use this bad boy, okay? The key here for me is this comb section right here. It came with it. I think I got this at Walmart like years ago. I've gone through several. But this one is Infinity Pro by Conair. I use a little bit of a technique to help get it as straight as I want before I actually put a flat iron to it. I normally part my hair down the middle, so if you know where you want your part to be, I would kind of try to blow dry that way. What I do is I section my hair off before even doing that. I make a right and a left section, okay? And then I'm gonna take a little ponytail, and this is just to kind of get the hair out of the way. During the process, yeah, you're gonna look pretty goofy. But you see what I mean? Like, we have a lot going on here, but Trust the process. I'm gonna start with this area here. So my technique, I'm going to kind of pull on my hair while I dry this. It's great because it's also detangling it at the same time, but this tension here helps to get the roots to where you want it to be if you're looking for that sleek, straight look. I am going to put some of this BioSilk coconut oil in my hair. Be very careful with this. You don't want to put too much and then your hair is just greasy. I would do like a dime-sized amount. Make sure you rub it in your palms and then run your hands through your hair. If you don't have super dry hair, super coarse hair, this part you maybe want to skip. Then I'm going to put the heat protectant, and it smells really good. So now for my straightener. This is the Babyliss Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro. So similar to how I dried my hair, I'm going to section my hair off again so that I can work in pieces. I'm going to take my fine tooth comb, and really this is where it's super important to make sure there are no knots in your hair. For some added protection, take a piece down, give it a little bit of a spray, and then I like to tie up what I'm not working on at the moment. Okay, so this just helps me see what I'm doing a little bit. And normally like one run is good. I'm doing two right now because I can't really see the mirror from here. But yeah, you kind of get the gist. And you'll just kind of get in a rhythm. And then take the straightener. Straightened my hair, and this is the final look. So I hope this video was helpful for you to kind of see my routine. Practice makes perfect. I do want to say that. Just keep working on it. You will get faster and faster, but don't rush through this process. Treat your hair kindly. If there's anything I didn't address, let me know in the comments. I will happily answer those questions for you, or you can DM me on Instagram. My handle is @HeyBriaJones. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and stay around because we're gonna have some more fun videos for you.